Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to ensure your pop-up blocker is turned off. First, understand that pop-up blockers are designed to stop annoying advertisements and malicious windows. However, some trusted websites like banking portals or online forms rely on pop-ups for essential functions. Knowing how to temporarily disable or manage these settings is crucial for a smooth online experience. We'll cover the simple steps to take. For Google Chrome, begin by clicking the three vertical dots in the top right corner to open the menu, then select Settings. From there, find Privacy and Security on the left sidebar and click it. Next, choose Site Settings and scroll down until you see pop-ups and redirects. You can then toggle the main setting to Allowed or add specific websites to an Allow list. If you're using Firefox, access the menu, then go to Settings and select Privacy and Security. Scroll down to the Permissions section to manage pop-up windows. For Microsoft Edge, click the three dots for the menu, choose Settings, then Cookies and Site Permissions, and locate pop-ups and redirects. Safari users can find these options in Preferences, under the Websites tab, then Pop-up Windows. Remember, it's always best to only disable your pop-up blocker for websites you explicitly trust. Once you've completed your task, it's a good practice to re-enable the blocker to maintain your online security and prevent unwanted intrusions. Staying vigilant helps keep your browsing experience safe and smooth. Also, for those looking to improve their financial understanding, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.